Hello everybody and welcome to DryerDays Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to be working on this blue and silver and white geode that I have named Fortitude. This is available for sale in my store. I need to get it listed there. That's the thing I'm the worst at, is getting pictures of my artwork and putting it up on my website. And it's like lately it's been such a struggle even for me to get content made for Instagram and stuff. What do you guys struggle with the most? For me, it is getting pictures of the art once it's completed and getting it up in my store for someone to buy. And most of the time I don't even do that. I just list it on Instagram and somebody buys it before I even need to get it up in my store anyway. So it's kind of created this laziness within me. And I'm just wondering, where do you guys struggle, or what's the one thing that you really don't like doing as far as the promotion or the artwork sale side of your work? So here I had this piece custom cut for me, and I knew I wanted to do blue and cooler colors. Blue is my favorite color, and I knew I wanted to use all pigment pastes from my store, from my new Color Joy line of color creams that are specially formulated just to be used in resin. I do have 25 colors right now, and I just ordered 4 more. So I have 4 more colors that will be coming soon. And so what I did to prep this board was, obviously I painted it. And I like to do that. I like to get the colors down on the board of kind of where I want to lay them out, so that when I'm working with the resin, I already sort of have a backdrop for myself. And then I put down some crushed glass, and I also used some real clear quartz points there in the center, and I glued those down. And so as you saw there before, I had some clear resin that I was just sort of drizzling on the loose parts. Even though those stones were already glued down, I like to drizzle on some clear, just so that when I come in to use my heat gun, it doesn't blow anything around. And then right here we are using the silver metallic. That is a color cream from my line. And we're going to add a little bit more clear. I'm going to do a more in-depth video on this too, also for my patrons. I like to give them some extra bonus content, and it's a perk for them being a patron of mine. If you're interested in supporting my channel even more than just watching the videos on YouTube, there is a link provided in the description of how you can become a patron. And as always, in the description of this video, you will find all of the products that I'm using and where you can find them if you want to purchase them yourself. And here we're using some baby blue. This is a really, really pretty blue. It's actually, it's cool because blue tends to be, of course, more on the cool spectrum, but I don't know, it has like a warmth to it, a depth. I really, really like it. And this is the blue color cream. Very beautiful blue. And as you can see there, when I painted at first, I did use a little bit of black because I really wanted some depth around this edge here. So I will use a little bit of my darkest blue too, which has sold out. But what you can also do too is, if you're looking to get an even darker blue than the blue, you can add just a little bit of the black matte color cream in there, just a tiny little bit, and it'll give it some nice depth. And as you can see there, I just really went around filling out my piece, getting it fully covered with resin, using my little smush technique with my glove finger to marry all the colors together. And now we're using the white. This is a beautiful bright white, opaque white. It's going to sell and lace beautifully. I'm going to show you how here in a minute. We're going to warm it up here with a little bit of heat from the heat gun. You can also hit it with the torch if you like. And then I give a spritz with my spray bottle. There is filled with 90% isopropyl alcohol. And I will spritz this piece once I have this white nice and warm from my heat gun, and you'll see it'll just flourish and make beautiful cells. And we will leave it to sit, and then I will come in and do a little bit of embellishing. And here is beautiful Fortitude, glistening, looking beautiful. Look at the beautiful cells and lacing from that white. Gorgeous. I did do a flood coat on this, so all of those lines that I added are nice and secure in there. They will not scuff off. I'm very happy with this piece. I love blue so much. It's my favorite color, and I'm trying to get beautiful blues in my store for you guys to use as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Check out the video description again for all the products that I used. I hope to see you guys on Instagram at DryerDays. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.